Yo! Builderall, 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 Builderall. Hey guys, what up? Today's video is gonna be so freaking cool. I've put together a short, super cool video showing what Builderall does. So I'm gonna walk you through right now. Hope you like it. Stay tuned. Hey, my name is Fábio. Don't forget to subscribe as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. Alright, let's dive into it. There we go. A round of applause for Builderall. Fábio, you're not stopping. Why? We got this. Below the video is the link. Don't forget, it's a $1 for 30 days and you get access to everything inside of Builderall. This freaking amazing platform is just rock solid. Freaking amazing. No other platform on the world right now. Maybe on Mars, but I don't think they have platforms like this there. But in the planet Earth, there's no other platform like Builderall. So you're going in for the best, my friend. With that said, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a blessing day. Don't ever forget how awesome you are. I believe in you 100%. You behind that phone, that computer, that laptop, I freaking believe in you. And I will see you maybe here next Friday as I will do a great video for you. See you and goodbye.